Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Guys, today I will be making some mole. Making mole, and I have the chicken already cleaned. I think they with vinegar and salt, all clean. I have about a third of onions and about a tablespoon of garlic, fresh garlic. And I have some boiling water already ready and some salt, which I am going to put in the pot as a pound. So just chicken is all in there. Now I'm going to add the onions. It's about a third of onions. Let it cook in there. I'm going to add the tablespoon of garlic, fresh garlic. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. Gonna mix that all in. Mix it all in and put a lid on it and cover it and let it cook for about 35-40 minutes. Then I'll come back. So I'll cover it up. I'll be back. As the chicken is all done, you see it has this chicken broth in there. We're gonna use that for the mole. So just hold on. Okay, I'm about to start adding the mole sauce. I have Donna Maria Mole Mexican sauce. And it's hard to get this out of the pan, guys. It's like hard, so you have to really dig in there and get all of it out. I'm going to actually use 2 of these. And it's a little hard to open the jar as well. But I'm going to use 2 of these. And this first one, I'm going to add, after the first one, I'm going to add the water, the broth from the chicken. Add a cup, I'm going to add 3.5 cups to each one. Where did I put my other cup? Oh, right here. 3.5, you have to record that. 3.5 cups. Let me see. Okay. For each one of them, I'm going to add 3.5 cups of it. And it's on a low heat. I don't want it to start right here. I don't want it to start to actually, I don't want it to stick to the pot, guys. So, I'm going to put about 2 jars of the mole and 7 cups of water. Well, chicken broth. I'm saying water, but it's chicken broth. Okay, I'm gonna add my second cup jar of mole. This stuff is serious, guys. Second jar. Now I mixed the first jar with the 3.5 cups of water because I didn't want it to stick, so I had to hurry up and get to a mix. But all right, that's done. Now I'm going to stir this in and add 3.5 more cups of the broth, the chicken broth. 2. 3. And 1/2. I don't want to burn over. Alright. Alright, so this is 7 cups of chicken broth. Get the mole sauce. I'm actually going to add some 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, chocolate, abuela chocolate, some ground cumin, a teaspoon of ground cumin, teaspoon of that. Put some stir in it. It's on low, remember guys, it's on low. Gotta add chicken flavored bouillon. About a tablespoon of that for the flavor. Add the more. Okay. I'm gonna add the chocolate in there as well. You guys see us. Everything will have to melt in there. It's in there. I put the chocolate in there, guys. It's already in there. The abuela chocolate. It's already in there. I added it. Just add it. Let it melt. And I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter as well. Ooh, that thing gonna stick. 3. And I'm going to mix this. Remember, I have everything on a low heat. Alright, everything is nice and even in here. Now I'm about to start adding the chicken. Yep, I got a scooper. Add the chicken to the sauce. Start stirring this in first. That's a lot of sauce. Kind of kept some onions in there, guys. Add the rest of the chicken. I'm gonna actually add all this chicken in here, guys. I think I have one more. Yep, one more. And then the juice that I have from there, I'm going to actually use that towards my rice. Oh, the chicken is smothered in there. Yep. So good, guys. Let me show you a little. Let me show you. Hold on. That's what it's looking like, guys. Some mole. Think that look good? Alright. Okay, guys, the mole is all done. And the rice. Made some rice on the side. But the mole is definitely done. the chicken mole is definitely done. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I did add some spices to. I add some chili gallo, if that's how you say it, arbol chili, and ancho chili. I added some of that, and I actually put it in the blender and drained the juices inside there, you know, to give it a little spice. Okay guys, I'm going to make a plate really quick. That rice looks good, right? Mm-hmm. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. And put some juices, more juices. There you have it. To like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn those post notifications so you know when our next video will be uploaded.
Until next time, see ya.
Bye-bye.
Alright, gotta get my last video off. Good.
This is good, cuz. Put through it, right?
Yeah, this shit love.
Oh, my music. Hold on.
Alright, I'm gone. Just want to see how y'all was doing. Good. Guys, look, this is the only thing left. As you can see, I showed you the guys and it was good. So, you know, this is my first time making mole. And it was a success, I guess. So, until next time, see y'all.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.